Okay, so this is my new baby, my new ring light. Guys, see how excited I am to get this ring light. So today we are just going to unbox ring light, okay? This is a 22-inch ring light and I'm going to unbox it with you guys, okay? So stay tuned and then watch how I unbox this ring light. So it came in two badges. It came into two separate sacks. One is the stand and the other is the ring. So guys, watch me assemble this ring light, okay? Please do well to subscribe if you are new. Enjoy this clip. Bye. So now guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I am so grateful for you watching up to this point. Thank you so much for watching. It was so nice having this ring light and I'm sure it's going to go a long way to improve the quality of my videos. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you get one. If you are a content creator, try and get a ring light and a mic. So getting a wireless mic is my next target. Yes, I am flexing myself and I'm so happy that I had the ring light. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.